Welcome to Antonine International School Al Dekwana. This video tutorial shows the fundamental steps for using Microsoft Outlook. Open your internet browser. Go to outlook.com. Click on Sign In. Enter your school email. Enter your password. Click Stay Signed In. Once you log in, you will see the Outlook main interface. On the left side, you will see the folders, the inbox, the draft, the sent and the deleted folders. Inbox is where you receive all new emails. Deleted is where you find all messages that you have deleted. Junk folder is where you will find unwanted or undesired emails. New email is where we start to compose a new email. Click New Email and you will be ready to compose your email. You will find that a button is where you enter the email of the person you would like to email. If you don't know the correct email, you can browse our school directory and search for the right person from the list. Now, after you have selected your recipient, you can add a subject to your email. You can start composing your email. You can always choose the font color size and orientation from the toolbar above. Now that you have finished composing your email, click on the Send button to send your email. Your email is sent now. You can always find it in the Sent folder. Now let's go back to and compose a new email. But this time you're gonna attach a file to your email. To do so, go to the Insert menu. Click it and choose Attach File on the left side. Once you click, a drop menu will show up giving you several choices to choose from. You can browse your computer, your OneDrive, or choose a previously used file. Once you choose a file to attach, you need to wait for the file to uploaded and attached. This might take some time. It depends on the file size and on the internet connection speed you have. Once uploaded, you can send the email, and always can be found in the Sent folder. Thank you for watching. Check the playlist for more tutorials. For further assistance or information, please contact the IT department on it@ais-d.edu.lb.